Hello friend, welcome to Photoshop Illustrator. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make custom brush in Illustrator. So watch this video till the end and subscribe to our new official YouTube channel, link on the description. And without any further talk, let's get started. So friends, I have to draw an ellipse. So I'm gonna select my ellipse tool. I already selected it, so just click on here and draw a ellipse just like this. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna fill it with fill color and turn off the stroke color. That's pretty cool, yeah. Okay, and it's way bigger and I need to small it. So okay, I think that is perfect, and I'm gonna delete it. Select this leaves and just open your brush window and just click on the plus button here, right here. So I'm gonna click on here, and here is open a pop-up, and here is main category of brush, and I'm gonna select the art brush here and just click on the OK button. Okay, and here is your custom brush. Okay, you're gonna customize here. Here is a more customized option for your users. So I'm gonna just click on here, and now here is okay, here is create my custom brush. Just click on here, art brush tool. Here, this is our custom brush, and we recently created, and just click on the brush tool and draw it. Okay, wow, that's super cool. Okay, wow, that's amazing. Okay, let's try again. Okay, that's fine. And here is another important thing as well. You have to know. Just click on the pencil tool and double click here. Here is pen a pop-up, and just click on fill new pencil stroke. Just I already clicked on it, so I don't need to click again. Clicked on it and just click on OK button. Then for this you are using this just like this. You can fill color. You can use it with your fill color. It's a very important thing in vector art, so you have to learn it. Okay, that's fine. So if you all like my video, please thumbs up on our like button and subscribe to our new official YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much to be with us.